Hey guys! For this episode of Foodie Pinoy, magluluto tayo ng isa na namang below 100 ulam recipe. Stay tuned! Maglagay ng around 1 tablespoon na mantika sa wok. Once mainit na ang mantika, ilagay natin ang eggplant at lulutuin natin ito until mag-brown ang edges. By the way, sinok ko yung eggplant sa water for 20 minutes. This way, hindi ito mag-absorb ng maraming mantika. Once luto na at brown na ang edges, ilagay muna natin ito sa isang bowl at iset aside. Maglagay ulit ng 1 tablespoon ng mantika. Iba-brown naman natin ang minced pork. This is around 100 grams or 1 cup of minced pork. Once okay na ang pork, tanggalin ito sa wok at iset aside. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel at manood ng iba pa naming videos. Marami kaming easy to cook recipes na magugustuhan nyo. Using the same wok, isosaute naman natin ang 1 medium size chopped onion. Three cloves minced garlic at 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Once aromatic na ang onion, garlic, at ginger, at I bet very familiar tayo sa amoy na yan, ibalik na natin sa wok ang eggplant and minced pork. Season with 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, add some water and mix well. Add around 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix. Add a pinch of salt kung bitin kayo sa saltiness. And lastly, give it a taste para ma-check kung okay na ang lasa. And it's done! Ito na ang ating eggplant with minced pork recipe. As mentioned kanina, below 100 pesos lang ang recipe na ito. Check out the description box below for the costing. Enjoy!
Hey mga ka-foodie! Nagustuhan nyo ba ang recipe na ito? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest release namin. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!